Hello friends, I'm gonna get some shore adventures in today. Big Island Mike is here to pick me up and take me to the famous skate spot Wallows, which I've dreamt about going to since I was a young kid and watched Search for Animal Chin, the Bones Brigade video. So let's grab our stuff and head inshore, and then he's gonna show us some other wild stuff around Oahu today. So let's get to it. Big Island Mike is an absolute legend from Oahu. In the 90s, he competed in BMX competitions, which led to him traveling the world as part of Matt Hoffman's BMX stunt series, and he was a judge for the X Games for 25 years. Mike has been tattooing for almost as long and splits his time between Shamrock Social Club in Los Angeles, where he tattoos celebrities and rock stars, and Oahu, where he tattoos locals and friends at Hale Nui Tattoos and his private studio, The Secret Ninja Warehouse. I was introduced to Mike by my tattooer and our mutual friend Sean Barber, and Mike was kind enough to take his time to show me around for the few days he was on Oahu before heading back to Los Angeles. What up? For sure. Here at Wallows with Big Island Mike. Brought me out to this legendary spot. I've wanted to come here since I was a very small skater, and I am stoked. So let's see what it's all about. Last run at Wallows, lifelong dream skating this place, so stoked. Hell yeah. Bomber! We're at the secret ninja warehouse. Had to be blindfolded to be brought here. Let's check out what they got going on in here. Shoot, a lot of bikes. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, that coping looks not forgiving. No.
I thought that was right behind your house. Almost like it.
Do you remember that animal chin video from a long time ago?
Yeah.
That's from there. So like he's fucking watching this kid too. And he's like,
hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Like that?
Yeah. Awesome. This is so crazy. Hell yeah. What's your name?
Bobby.
Bobby what?
Bobby Kamani, check me out.
That's right. Hell yeah. That's old school shit. Hell yeah. So sick. So sick. Fuck yeah, dude. Thank you. Thanks for joining me on this shore adventure here in Oahu. And thanks again to Big Island Mike for showing me around. If you liked the episode, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Let me know what you thought. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer them. Also, make sure you subscribe, hit that little bell so you don't miss any future episodes. There are a lot of videos coming up of me exploring the Hawaiian Islands, both on land and sea. And I can't wait to share all that with you. So, thanks again for watching. Fair winds until next time.